Today we're going to talk about doing multi-room renovations while we're doing a kitchen renovation, why we shouldn't do that or why we should do that. So I think the big benefit to doing a multi-room renovation when it's connected to the kitchen is the fact that you're going to have two messes done at the same time. The type of customer that would really benefit from a multi-room renovation is one that has another place to go. Because living through a multi-room renovation sometimes can be very trying because of the mess from one room to the other. As far as if there's going to be any cost savings of doing multiple rooms at once, there may be a little bit on labor, because when one room, the drywall's drawing in one room, they could be working in another room. But again, it's going to be very minimum savings. If you're going to do a multi-room renovation, I think the home that's wide open where the kitchen is part of the family room, dining room, and entryway area may be one of the harder ones to do. Because once you're starting to rip up one room, it's going to be in every room that's connected to that room. Anyone who has an issue with things being neat, tidy, and clean should avoid a multi-room renovation. Really, the one thing we can look at is when it's connected to the kitchen. Say a mudroom walking into the kitchen, or a pantry walking into the kitchen, or maybe a half bath. But we have to make sure before we do that there's other bathrooms that are able to be used in the home, or other sinks that we can use in the home while we're still living in the home during the renovation period. So in the end, if you're thinking about doing a multi-room renovation, we're more than willing to help you out and would love a chance to work with you guys to help figure out your project. So please come see us here at LJ's Kitchens and Interiors.